The lead magnet on the page can easily be edited just like any other module as explained in previous tutorial videos. You can take a look at the other instructional tutorial videos for more information. As a brief example, we will change the lead magnet to a 20% discount. As you can see, you simply go into the settings pop-up menu, look for the relevant heading and make the changes you wish. Every different type of module has its own settings pop-up, but they are all similar. There is also another copy of the lead magnet further down on the page. Note the color of the ribbon is green on this section and also for the modules within it. The green-colored ribbons mean that the content is global. Global content appears across many different pages, and if you make any changes on one page, it will also make the same changes on all of the other pages that have instances of that global content. We will also edit this one to have a 20% discount to be consistent with the lead magnet copy at the top of the page. You can change the entire text on all copies of the lead magnet to offer a completely different lead magnet if you wish, such as buy one session and get one free, refer a friend to get a free session, etc. As you can see, after we save the home page, even if we go to another page, the lead magnet there will also be updated since the same global lead magnet is on multiple pages. Again, you can identify global items by the green ribbon. When the button of the lead magnet is clicked on, a pop-up will appear where the visitor can enter their contact information. This pop-up will collect the user's information and email it to you so you can follow up. To edit the lead magnet pop-up, go into the front-end editor for the home page and scroll all the way down. There you will see the lead magnet pop-up in its own section. You can edit it here in the same way as other modules. We will update it to the new discount amount of 20% to be consistent. To edit the form fields part of the lead magnet pop-up, be sure to click on the form fields and then a ribbon will pop up where you can click the gear icon to get the contact form settings pop-up. Again, most of the common headings here are self-explanatory. If you need any help, we are always happy to give a helping hand. We will change the name field text to say full name just for illustrative purposes. Also, we'll change the email address field text to say your email address, again just for illustrative purposes. We can also add additional fields if desired. We will add a field to collect the phone number as well. Simply click on the Add New Field button and then fill out the field ID with a placeholder name and write the text that you want to appear to the visitor in the field line itself. Note the field ID here will be used when you are customizing the email notifications that you will receive. Next, we will take a look at how you can add or change your email address to receive notifications whenever someone signs up for your lead magnet. Go back to the Main Content tab and click on the email header. Then for email address, you can add a comma after any email addresses already there and then type in your email address after. You can also customize the email message that gets sent to you. To do this, you can write any content you want to show up in the email notification. This is also where the field ID we talked about earlier comes into play. The field ID serves as a placeholder in the email message pattern for the content that the visitor will enter into the respective fields. When adding the field ID as a placeholder, you have to put two percentage symbols before and after. As you can see, the email notification message pattern has already been set up for you. However, we will need to add the information from the new phone number field to be included in the email notification as well. You can simply follow the same pattern for the field ID placeholder. Remember to type two percentage symbols before and after the field ID. In the email notification, the value they entered will show up instead of the field ID placeholder. Lastly, we'll need to change the text in the button up top in the header to reflect the 20% discount for the lead magnet. To do this, go to the main dashboard, then hover the mouse over the Appearance tab and then click on Menus. Click on the drop-down triangle icon on the 30% off first session item, then you can edit the navigation label accordingly. In this case we will change it to say 20%. Then click the blue Save Menu button. After this, when we refresh the page we can see that the primary header menu has been updated accordingly. Congratulations, you have learned a lot in this video and can now edit your lead magnet and easily customize many areas of your website using the concepts learned here.